Take your charts to the next level by customizing them in Prezi Design. First, click on the chart you'd like to customize. You'll see the available options appear in the settings panel on the right. In Chart Properties, you'll find some general settings as well as unique ones based on your chart type, like changing the column width for this column chart. Next, let's add some flair to your chart by changing its colors, over here. Pick one of the theme colors, use the picker, or paste a hex code that fits your brand. Under Axis and Grid, you can tweak the way your data is visualized on the chart. From the Fonts tab, you can change the chart's font as well as its size and color for either the entire chart or just individual elements. Use a legend to provide additional information and enable tooltips to make your chart interactive. Under Data Format, add a prefix or suffix to your indicators and adjust how you want your numbers to be displayed. Last but not least, make your data visualization accessible to everyone by adding a concise label and summary to it. So how are you going to customize your next chart? Give it a try in Prezi Design.